USB-C to VGA adapter with USB-C PD charging. USB 3. 1 USB-C to VGA DisplayPort Alternate Mode adapter adds VGA and USB-C PD charging ports to the USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 port on your tablet, laptop, notebook or PC. USB power delivery for USB-C enabled laptops including Dell XPS 13, Dell Precision, MacBook, HP Spectre, Chromebook, or Samsung Galaxy Book. Crystal clear 1080p video. External video adapter supports USB DisplayPort Alternate Mode for transmitting video. Supports HD video resolutions up to 1920x 1080p, at 60 Hz. Charge a connected device. The USB-C power delivery (PD) port provides power and charging to the PD charging compliant device, such as a MacBook or Chromebook. Type-C charger supports power input up to 20 volts 3A, 60W. White housing simple operation. Plug-and-play operation with no software or drivers required. Fumble-free reversible USB-C plug connects in either direction for quick connection every time. Top reviews from the United States. Worked with an old cinema display. Used this to hook up an old Apple Cinema display, probably, 04, to a new iMac, 2020. What can I say? I love the old screens. Anyway, it worked perfectly. I had tried using 2 connector cords at first and that didn't work. This worked immediately.